currently trying to pack up, but this guy right here, yeah, you, trying to pack with a puppy. Hey, leave it. What is this? Hey, leave it. Give me that. Where do you even find that? You're really gonna sit right there? You have to?
Yep.
You, off. Oh, look what I got. Oh, I got you. So today we're going on the road trip. Woo! We're taking her Honda Fit and we're going across the country to
Massachusetts.
We're going to Massachusetts. We're leaving California tonight. We're going with this guy. Kai, say hi. It's gonna be a 7-day road trip. So we're packing up the car right now. Koli's dad rigged this Honda Fit so that it's a road trip vehicle. Check this out. He built this. Well, first of all, he took the 2 back seats out, so he's got all this room in the back. But he built this structure in here. This will lay out. This bed will come down, so that's where we're gonna be sleeping. So that side opens up too, and then this back opens up to have all of the storage here. So super cool. Gives us a lot more room, and then, like I said, we have a sleeping area here. Just got the car all packed up. We've got Kai back here. I'm on my way to go pick up Koli, and then we're off. Currently out on the road. Made it to the freeway. We're not super far, but we're watching the Warriors game. Game 4 of the NBA Finals. I think it's about to be the Bruins. What do you think? Yeah.
What are the umpires going to do? How are they going to make money? The umpire. And the refs. Softball.
Oh, good morning, puppy. So we made it to our first stop of the night. We're at Koli's parents' house up in Auburn, and we're just hanging out here for the night. We're about to play glow-in-the-dark badminton.
Oh!
This should be fun.
All right, here we go.
Leave it.
Big serve.
Appreciate it. Come here. Grab it, Billy.
Go.
Get Daryl. Get it.